Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prompt realistic product photography models. This is using Midjourney version 5. Alright, this is the prompt structure I use. Uh, First of all, there'll be multiple parts of the prompt. Okay, the first prompt is the scene, item, and model. So those are the three prompt structures I'm going to be using for this picture on your right. Okay, first, um, the scene is a product photo shoot, and the item is a black bottle of perfume, and the model is a beautiful Malay woman. So you guys can interchange. You can change what you want. You want a bottle of soda, a bottle of whatever you want. So that will be the item that you change. For the scene, um, it's a product photo shoot, so it'll probably be in a studio, photography studio, a photo studio. So this is the main, how do you say, the main scene of the picture. And the third part is a beautiful Malay woman. So this can be changed to a man, to any race. So this is the beginning of the prompt. There will be, how do you say, three more sections of this video to show how I actually combine and use the prompts that I'm giving to you. So these three items are pretty important because it is at the beginning of the video. So usually in Midjourney, what is at the beginning of the module, what is at the beginning of the prompt in the picture is what will be the heaviest. So it's the scene, item, and model. If you put a color inside the beginning of the prompt, such as yellow, so you put yellow product photo shoot, the entire thing will become yellow. So I usually put my colors in the middle or at the end of the video. Okay, continuing to the second part of the video, the um, second part of the prompt. So this prompt is comprised of four main parts. So this is the second part. So usually I use focus, descriptives, and also the background. So like I said before, the color I usually don't put at the beginning of the prompt because it will take over the prompt. So even if you have someone wearing black outfit, but you put a vibrant maroon background at the beginning of the prompt, even the model will turn and start wearing maroon clothes, even though you prompt for black clothes. So okay, first of all, I usually set focus. So I put focus on perfume bottle. If you're doing other products, you can use focus on a can of soda, focus on a box. So this is what I usually use. So at the descriptives for the second part of the prompt, these descriptives are, how do you say, showing and describing your product. So if you have a perfume, you can use exclusive, elegant, you can use fun, you can use how do you say, spring colors, vibrant colors. So that's what I usually use. So usually for the third part is the background. So the background is any color that you want. I usually put a descriptive adjective at the beginning, so it's like vibrant maroon. You can use dull maroon, you can use subtle maroon, soft maroon, hard maroon, neon maroon. So it's up to you. Okay, this is the last part of the prompt. So to make it real, Midjourney has to reference photography, has to reference pictures. So you don't want it to be an artistic take on the picture. So what I usually do is to put a photography style. So this is for these kind of pictures where there's a model. I usually use portrait photography, so it'll be more on the face. You can use product photography, you can use studio photography. So the picture of photography is the main part of the prompt that is important. And I also use aspect ratio for over 3 so to get these proportions. You can use how do you say, 2:1. You can use 1:1. It's up to you. Even if you want to do a wallpaper, you can use 16:9. So that's for the aspect ratio. So I'll just say thank you for listening to my prompt. I like to share more. If you have a picture that you want, I can try to make it for you. So just don't forget to subscribe, and hope you can just put any comments. If the pictures are trash, if the pictures are good, just put them on in the comments. I like to share more. So if you guys like this kind of content, I'll make more. If you need a prompt for a car, if you need a prompt for a dog or a cat, I can do that. So hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. See ya.